Good day, everyone. We are Team 10. This is our knowledge primer assignment. Today we'll be discussing 4 chapters by the Technology and Society reading by Deborah Johnson and Jameson Wetmore. Guanco will cover chapter 22, Mayar will cover chapter 23, I myself, Vijay, will cover chapter 33, and Eladi will cover chapter 35. Now handing it over to Guanco.
Thanks, Vijay. I will discuss the key takeaways for chapter 22, the Amazon Reinforced Monitoring System case, from the lenses of people, technology, and economics. So first, in this case, we learned that technology reshapes societal structures and people's daily life. For example, the increased tech oversight led to the land use changes for the settlers and their farmers. Second, so technology serves multiple purposes. Brazil's satellite technology evolved from military security and economic expansion to environmental conservation, which reflecting the shifted societal needs. So finally, economic priorities change. The satellite technology initially drove economic growth, but later it reshaped the priority to support environmental policies. So in conclusion, the technology is dynamic, which adapting to societal and institutional needs. The Amazon case shows how technology transforms to address emerging challenges. Thank you. Okay, I will turn it over to Mayor.
Thank you, Guanco. Today, I will discuss the Franken algorithm and the interplay of AI in society, an article by Andrew Smith, published in 2018 by The Guardian. AI has become an integral part of our daily lives, impacting various aspects of human necessity. Algorithms are integral to AI, enabling machines to learn from data and make decisions. From a people perspective, AI should align with societal values. However, AI can inherit human biases, leading to accountability issues, imposing monitoring and refinement. Incidents like the 2010 flash crash in the stock market and misidentifications by facial recognition system underscored the need for transparency and regulation in AI deployment, as illustrated in pictures below. From the technology point of view, there is a shift toward developing AI systems that prioritize transparency. Additionally, focusing on design, promoting social good is essential for harmonizing AI into society. Corporations should prioritize sustainable practices and balanced regulations to curb unchecked power and ensure technology benefits society. Scholars must also recognize their influence and use it correctly to promote inclusive growth and social welfare. With that said, I will turn it over to Vijay.
Thank you, Mayar. I will discuss chapter 33, Debugging Bias, Busting the Myth of Neutral Technology by Felicia Montalvo. In regards to people, the bias by design from these large technology companies that claim for creating inclusive products, but in fact, these products are created and rooted in bias. And really, that's due to the employees that occupy the workforce, which then has limitations into their biases being input into the products. The reinforcement of bias also exists within products, which is the hardware, as well as the software that's more data focused. In regards to technology, the controls that these large technology companies wield over others serves as a gatekeeper for large technology companies, puts their power and profit over the consumer and employee, which counters their arguments of marketing and having the consumer's best interests in mind, and then ongoing dominance by the exponential age, outpacing rules, stifling innovation, and the competition. And then lastly, with the economic, the workforce, the impact of diversity in technology is important. So the lack of workforce and diversity continues to reinforce biases within products and exclude certain populations. The lack of representations in leadership, and then the consideration that needs to be discussed is investing in succession planning with a limited pipeline with our population that is shrinking in future generations. And then there is a self-reported company statistics in regards to all roles broken down by technology, all roles, and leadership roles. Now turning it over to Eladi.
Thank you, Vijay, and hello, everyone. My name is Alfadi Alonda. Regarding the key takeaways from Chapter 35, Shaping Technology for Good Life, Gary Champion explored the tension between two competing forces in development and implementation of technology. Social imperative focus on human-centered technological development, where the community can use technology to preserve people, cultural heritage, and needs while maintaining their quality of life and sustainability. Example of that, Amish way of adapting technology to fit their cultural needs. On the other hand, technological imperative is driven by efficiency of algorithm, designed to maximize user engagement, advertising revenue, economic growth, innovation, and profit. However, this approach can spread misinformation, amplify harmful content, reinforce sociological bias over human values and well-being. Example for that, AI that shows bias in facial recognition to people of color. This tension led to igniting slow food movement in 1986 that focuses on promoting economic sustainability practices by resisting globalization and homogenization of food culture by adapting local cuisines, organic farming, and reducing environmental impact. In conclusion, we need to encourage a deliberate value-driven approach to technology and balance progress with cultural preservation and sustainability. Thank you.
Thank you, Lottie. And that concludes our presentation, but we did want to leave some additional questions for the audience to really provoke some thought or additional dialogue. We are happy to field any questions that you may have. Feel free to reach out to any one of our team members. We are happy to pick up the discussion there. Thank you. We appreciate you joining our presentation today.